When dining out, especially in English-speaking countries, it's helpful to know certain phrases that reflect good manners and dining etiquette. Here are some useful phrases to enhance your dining experience. Making a reservation, booking a table. I would like to make a reservation for 4 at 10 a.m. Confirming details. Could you please confirm the booking under the name Aslam? Arriving at the restaurant, acknowledging the reservation. We have a reservation under the name Abdul Bari. If you didn't book in advance, do you have a table available for 8? Ordering food and drinks. Placing your order, I'll have the chicken soup, please. Asking for recommendations. What do you recommend from the menu? Special dietary requests. Does this dish contain peanuts? During the meal requesting items, could we get some more water, please? On being served, thank you. If something is wrong, excuse me, I think there's been a mistake with my order. Complimenting the meal, showing appreciation. The meal was delicious, thank you. Praising a specific dish. I really enjoyed the chicken soup. It was excellent. Asking for the check, requesting the bill. Could we have the check, please? Inquiring about payment methods. Do you accept credit cards? Leaving the restaurant, expressing thanks. Thank you for the great service. Saying goodbye. Goodbye, have a nice evening. General etiquette phrases. Passing items. Could you please pass the pasta plate? Excusing yourself. Excuse me, I'll be right back. Toasting. Cheers! When clinking glasses. Tips for dining etiquette. Be polite. Always use please and thank you. Speak clearly. Ensure that the staff understands your requests. Be patient. Sometimes service might be slower than expected. Practice scenario. Imagine you're at a restaurant and want to compliment a dish you particularly enjoyed. You could say, "Excuse me, I just wanted to say that the grilled salmon was fantastic. Please pass my compliments to the chef." Using these phrases not only helps in smooth communication, but also shows respect and appreciation for the service provided. Dining out can be a delightful experience when you're equipped with the right etiquette phrases. Enjoy your dining adventures.